Our last but definitely not least contestant and speaker of the day is Linet Njeri. The title of our speech is Feed Your Curiosity. Feed Your Curiosity, Linet Njeri.
I am worried, very worried. I'm seated on the doctor's couch, waiting for my turn. And I'm worried about the procedure I'm about to have. Will it be painful? What will they uncover? And to keep my mind off things, I begin talking to the old man seated next to me. I ask him about why he's here, and he tells me that he's here for his annual checkup. He asks me what I'm here for, and we begin a conversation, a riveting conversation that takes place for 15 minutes and makes me forget where I was. And as I leave to get into the doctor's office, we exchange contacts. Mr. Contest Chair, fellow Toastmasters and guests, feed your curiosity. How does a man take a car to space? How does one discover gravity? How do we solve the world's problems? By feeding our curiosity. Sometimes we move through life like routinized machines. Wake up, go to work, eat, sleep, repeat, wake up, go to work, eat, sleep. So boring. We don't stop to think about how we can do things differently. We don't stop to feed our curiosity. You want to feed your curiosity?
Yes.
Ask questions. Have you ever observed children and their curiosity? They're constantly asking questions. Mommy, why does this work like this? Why don't we do it like this? And most of the world's inventors and discoverers were willing to ask questions. If Sir Isaac Newton didn't ask the question about why the apple fell from the tree, he wouldn't have discovered gravity. Last week, I had a problem with my tanks, storage in the water tanks. And I had to ask myself questions. And from these questions, I discovered that I had an airlock in my pipes. Ask questions. Feed your curiosity. Do you want to feed your curiosity? Google is your friend. We live in an information age where information is available at the tap of a button. If you look at my recent Google history, you'll see Elon Musk, the first principles of thinking, how to remove an airlock in your pipes. All this information is available to me through Google. When you Google, you're able to access information from all available sources. I'm pursuing my master's currently. And in a recent class, we talked about global warming, which led me to ask questions about the ozone layer and whether it can be repaired. And guess where I went to find the information? You got it right, from Google. Want to feed your curiosity? Google. You want to feed your curiosity, right? Talk to people. People are incredible sources of information. I had a conversation the other day with a lady who has over 15 years of experience in my field of marketing and communication. And from a 5-minute conversation, she inspired me from her expertise to change my major from branding to consumer behavior. You remember that old man I was talking about at the beginning? Fast forward to today, and we meet every month to catch up on each other's lives. He's not only become a mentor, but also a friend to me. Do you want to feed your curiosity? Talk to people. Curiosity is brain food. If we fed our brains as much as we feed our stomachs, the world would be a different place for sure. Do you want to see the world with a new set of eyes? Ask questions. Feed your curiosity. Do you want to solve the world's problems? Google. Feed your curiosity. Do you want to learn from other people's experiences? Talk to people. Feed your curiosity. Tom Robbins once said that curiosity, and especially intellectual inquisitiveness, is what separates those who are truly alive from those who are merely going through the motions. Stay alive. Feed your curiosity. Mr. Contest Chair.